English tip by tip.
Tip 8. Greet someone. Afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. Fine, thanks. And you?
Fine, thanks.
Good afternoon. How are you?
So far, so good. And you?
Fine, thanks. How is your afternoon going?
It's going well, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good, thanks.
Tip 8. Exercise. Fishing. It's nice to meet you. Good afternoon. How was your weekend?
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.